Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a fall morning routine. The kids are back into school, so I wanted to show you guys what our routine looks like every single morning. Also, this video is in collaboration with a little bit of Calm and Crazy. She's going to also be showing her fall cleaning routine, so you guys make sure you go check out her channel when you are done watching this one. And if you guys are here from her channel, welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Lynn. I am a mama of 5. I do weekly cleaning motivation as well as DIY and dollar store crafts. I also do vlogs, cooking, all that jazz. So it's just a little bit of everything. So I am so happy you're here. I hope that you would consider sticking around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. So if you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know that I love to do my bedroom first. I feel like once the room is done, then the rest of the house will come into order. So that is what I did. I am now going to put away any laundry that was on the dresser. At this time, the kids are actually eating breakfast, so I was able to get dressed myself and start cleaning my room. This video is going to be vlog style. So you're going to see me holding the camera every so often. I want to really take you through everything I'm doing this morning and let you be a part of my morning. So I am cleaning some of the breakfast dishes. I am always cleaning. 5 kids, the kitchen is always needing to be cleaned. So that is what I'm doing there. I'm cleaning out my coffee cup because I've already had my entire cup of coffee. My husband wakes me up with coffee in the morning. It's just something we do. We've always done. I will try to return the favor every so often, but he is awesome like that. Shout out to amazing husbands. I really couldn't do this without him. So I'm going to finish cleaning up the kitchen as much as I can. 2 of the kids are still eating, but they're at the bar right now. And I'm going to spray down the countertop because it feels a little sticky from the butter and syrup. And there's my sidekick, Ruby. If you guys are new with me, that is my Labradoodle, Ruby, and she is the star of the show in every video. She is the sweetest girl I have ever met. So I'm wiping down the counters with my microfiber cloth. You can get these from the dollar store. I believe I got, I think this pack was 4 for $1. But then they have the blue ones that are 2 for $1 from, I think the dollar store as well.
Away from these streets and the cold buzzing neon lights, been keeping our heads above water, struggling and striving.
So I am just continuing to clean up and straighten up and put some papers away in the front room. The kids are settled. They've already had their breakfast, so I try to do everything I possibly can. Usually my husband is home with me in the mornings, but he had to go to work early, so I am solo. And I have learned for me that I cannot go back into my room. It will just suck me in, so I just kind of keep myself moving. Also, I hope you like this style cleaning video. On my channel, I will do all kinds of cleaning videos if you guys are new with me. And this one, I wanted it to feel particularly relatable. I wanted you guys to feel like you're right there with me in the morning because I think it's really important that you guys feel connected and get to know me and just realize I'm a real person. I'm doing this same motherhood thing as you. And for a little humor, if you see there that I am missing a cushion on the couch, well, Noah decided to wake up at 4 a.m. My husband put him back to bed, but when my husband got up early this morning, Noah was there. And he put a show on for him so he could get ready. I mean, it was really early this morning. And so Liam, that one right there, came in and said, "Mom, Noah's writing all over the couch with a marker." And I honestly thought he was exaggerating. So I slowly got up, and indeed, Noah was writing all over my couch with a black marker. And I asked him why, and he said because it wasn't working on his paper. So, enough for the details. I was absolutely shocked. That definitely got me up and moving, but I was able to treat it and it washed right out, you guys. So it's kind of silly that I would get such a light colored couch, but I wanted it. And I paid extra for the stain protection, and thank God I did because it came right on out. So for you mamas out there that feel like your kids are the only ones that are crazy, no, I've got them too. So I am now starting a load of laundry. I'm gonna get that started so it can go ahead and start running, and I am gonna come into my master bathroom and treat the toilet. Something is wrong with that bottle, so I just started squeezing everywhere, and it worked. I'm just using regular old Lysol toilet bowl cleaner and then using these PDI wipes. I think that's what they are, but I'm using my gloves, y'all. Don't worry, I'm using my gloves. I get these from my mom. She sells laboratory and chemical supplies, so sorry I can't help you on that. You might be able to get them on Amazon, but they are carcinogenic, so you need to be very careful, but they sure will kill everything. I really don't know if I said that right, but you know what I mean. So you have to wear gloves when you use them. I do want to add that I do not clean my bathroom every single day. I try to get at it at least 2 times a week, but on this day it definitely needed it. Now moving on to my sink, I'm just going to use the rag that I've had here. I used it actually last night for my face. I'm going to rinse it out, and I'm going to just wipe down the sink and the countertops and around the sink. This is not a deep clean. This is just to wipe everything down, what I try to do when I see that it's messy. I'm not going to say I can do this every day because it doesn't need it every day, but today it did. Now I'm picking up Legos. You will find that a lot in my videos. I have 4 boys if you guys are new, and Legos are always out. So I'm just wiping down my countertop really good and gonna move on to my husband's countertop. He shaves and there's always little pieces of his beard, so I like to come over here and take care of his as well. Unless I'm doing a deep clean, I don't really get all fancy. I'll just use that same rag in my bathroom and move on to my kids' bathroom and then throw it in the wash. Don't let the supplies and everything hold you back from cleaning. Just get it done with whatever you got. Now I'm moving on to the bathtub. The kids usually clean up, or we actually do it together in the evening, but it got all messed up, so I'm going to take care of that now. And you see that little, it's an LOL emoji sticky thing? That's actually for my makeup brush. I got it at Marshall's. I think it's hilarious, and the boys love it. I'm going to use that same old rag and just wipe down the tub a little bit. I see that there's some body wash on the side there, and I'm just going to give it a good wipe down. I have to say, I have not given this tub a real good deep cleaning, and I can't even remember how long. Don't judge. We're all in this together, right? Now I'm just going to give it a good rinse with the shower. I love that I'm able to use this shower head and clean out the tub a little bit, and then just spray down the shower a little bit. Moving on to Josiah and Noah's room, I'm going to make these beds. You've heard me in other videos. I despise making bunk beds. I really want to invest in the beddies, but they're just too expensive. I can't. So, beddies, if you're watching this, send me some beds, please. I need some good beddies. Anyway, I am just cleaning this up for them, getting it look nice. You will hear in other videos of mine. If I'm putting the kids to bed that evening, I will clean their room completely. I like my kids to go to bed with a very clean room. But on the nights that my husband does it, we don't have the same philosophy, if you will. So it's definitely not messy, but there are things that need to be taken care of, and that is what I'm doing today. And I just want to throw this out because I've had some of y'all ask me before when I was wearing the same thing. These are LuLaRoe leggings, my favorite. It's just one size. And then this shirt is from Old Navy. They still sell it. This is a small. I usually wear medium, but small is definitely the way to go because the medium actually hangs on my shoulder a little bit. So they still have them, and I think they're on clearance now for 10 bucks, but I love them because it covers my butt and I don't have to worry about it. And who doesn't love a good pair of leggings? I do. I am using the Method antibacterial spray to spray down the toilet and the floor. Yes, the floor, because I have boys, enough said. And I let that sit for a minute while I did some other things, and then I came back. I edited that out because you wouldn't want to see blank for about a minute, but I let that sit, and then I'm going to wipe it down with the rag. I hope this video didn't make you too dizzy, but I was trying to do something a little different, like a vlog style, like you're with me in the morning going through this routine. Okay guys, this was it. Thank you so much for spending the morning with me. This is pretty much what I will do on a daily basis, but like I mentioned, I added a few things, so this would be my daily cleaning routine for the morning. I am so thankful y'all decided to spend your day with me and watch this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, please. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I would love, love, love to have you join my YouTube family and see all the stuff that we've got going on. Now I'm going to throw this nasty rag in the laundry so it can get washed because it's gross. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.